I would like to ask you 2 questions. And the first question is, what do you think about my way of showing you the exercises to you? I tend to do them very slowly because in a way I try to accompany the movements with thoughts I pass on, and these thoughts are meant to open spaces, and when I do it for myself it starts to grow. But maybe for you it's becoming too, the arms could become heavy, and you're always allowed to just let them go. Can I continue like this? I'm going to show you the result. And the result says, okay, I can go on like this. I mean, I don't say thank you because I could do it differently, but it shows me that how I want to open up a space seems to work. And you are still free. How do I use this space? Great. Yeah. So from time to time, I just will check. And I have one more question that is about my voice. When I do the exercise, sometimes I become very slowly and let the, not slowly, but because I'm in the movement, I speak slowly. Do you get tired from it, or do you need it quicker, enlivening to be able to accompany it? If you let me know if it's okay how I speak, or if I should try to speak quicker. And again, I show you the result of the poll now. And I mean, if not everybody could click it now, but just you give me a tendency, and the tendency still says I can go on in this direction we are working.